My biggest fear is that I will suddenly forget how to paint. And I'm pretty sure it's an irrational fear. But I realized that I've been experiencing this fear like my whole life, that I've been working a day job. Every time I have like an extended weekend off or some time off of work at some crappy day job, I'm afraid I'll suddenly forget how to do everything. What if I forget how to slice the meat? What if I forget how to ring up a customer? If only. What if I forget how to weigh the cheese?